forever young.
Hey guys, it's Alicia. So for today's video, I'm sorry if there's background noise, the television's on and I can't turn it off right now, but I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a retro video. It's sort of like a filter to make your videos kind of look old and sort of like that whole Marla Catherine lookbook thing. So what you're gonna need is the app Rad VHS. So when you open the app, this is what it's gonna look like, and you're gonna wanna press on camcorder. You can also import from your camera roll, but I'm just gonna go to camcorder. And then it's held sideways, and what you're gonna do is just press the record button in the bottom left corner and just record whatever you wanna have in your video. There's also an option to change the effects here, but once you have, like I said, once you have this, you're just gonna wanna press the little white circle in the bottom left, and that will save it to your camera roll. There's also a couple other effects. You can see the other red button besides record, and if you click on that, you can get like flares and gradient patterns over your videos. So you can not only just do like the Marla Catherine retro style, but have some other styles there too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that it helped, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, thank you.